Hey everybody, my name is Mark Gandara. I'm not going to spend too much time on this or try to video edit anything, so if I mess up, just excuse me. I just had a cup of coffee. I wrote the program last night, so let's see how much I remember from last night. I could not find anybody in my home right now that was willing to help me, so I found a volunteer, and it wasn't a celebrity, but it is close to, and his name is Toaster. Okay, so this beautiful toaster right here is going to either agree or explode. So I don't know what the result is, but hopefully I'm a good teacher. So listen up, everybody. So last night we were writing a program, and if I could just move my monitor just a tad, I would show you the code that we wrote. So I'm just going to explain it to you. Okay, the goal of our program was to invoke a method that would play a music video of your, a favorite song to get you jumping, get you running, do some, whatever. If you got a dog, I don't know, whatever you guys like to dance, however you guys like to dance, okay? But every 2 hours, just a wild one, okay, apparently I can't do math. And so every 2 hours, you're going to take a break, okay? And we're going to repeat that 3 times, okay? Did I just hold up 8? Okay, so anyway, 3 times you're going to be taking a break. And every 2 hours is when that music is going to come out. So we had to figure out a way to do that. So we imported two modules that are in the Python standard library. One of them is time, and the other one is web browser. With these 2 modules, I gotta stop doing addition, whatever. This is 2, okay? So using these 2 modules from the standard library, we're able to complete our program. So let me just kind of walk you through the code. So pretty much we had to set up some variables. The 2 most important ones was how many breaks we were going to have. We set that at 3, okay? Now that we have 3, we also have to set up some type of loop, a counter. So I set the count of that we were currently at set to 0. So in a while loop, I said as long as the total, our current count is less than the total breaks, hasn't reached the total breaks, I want you to go ahead and do this every 2 hours. Within that while loop, okay? I hope this isn't getting too crazy, but I'm trying to explain it the best way I can. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll try to explain it in a better way. I do have 2 monitors to the side of me, which would be so much easier to teach you guys. Okay, so pretty much let's just explain what's going on inside this loop. What is the loop doing? How is it invoking it? Okay, so we have a web browser. We use that module. We finally use it to open up a URL it's going to open up the web browser and then play the video URL that you put into the code, okay? We also need it right before it does that to wait. And how do we make it wait? We use that time module. And to me, I decided to actually use the 2 hours. So I did 60 seconds times 60 minutes times 2 hours. And there you go. You get 2 hours. And I hope I did that correctly. I hope my math does not suck, because apparently this morning I do not know math. So anyway, I did that together, and hopefully that works. So and you just got to make sure, since you're in a while loop, you need to make sure that count goes up every time. So from 0, it'll go to 1. And then the next hour, it'll add to that counter 2. And then if it goes to 3, it ends the while loop. Bam! You just did 3 times. And there you go, guys. That's how the program works. And I explained it in less than 4 minutes. So I hope you understood. My name is Mark Gandara. Toaster, what do you think? He agrees. Congratulations, guys. You just learned Python.